I kind of expected, you know, if once you're kind of famous, that people are going to recognize you and everything. But it's not really that bad. My fans are really, really cool. And, like, when I want to be left alone or something, they respect that. So that's good. The easiest thing about it is probably, you know, all the, you know, wonderful things that happen to you, like getting free clothes and getting to meet so many cool people, and just, you know, the fact that I get to travel around the world, and, you know, that's really, really cool. The bad things about it, probably just being away from my family and not getting enough sleep. Well, I think you have to make some sacrifices for things that you really, really want, and this is something I really, really want, you know, so I wouldn't change my life for anything right now. Madonna is like one of my I love her. I just think she's so unique and different, and every time she's come out with something like a different album, she's reinvented herself every time, and I think she's very smart. And she's a wonderful performer as well. So. I really just want to continue to do what I'm doing now and just get better and, you know, just write and, you know, and get better at writing, and I would love to start producing. So.
Play. Attitude. Yeah, I love that. Love that. Give me the 10 to me a little, 10. Just. Yeah, that's it, girl.
He cracks me up.
Let's go. Hot right there. Don't move it. We'll do a black and white. We'll do a black and white one for her.
Your color. Turquoise. Royal blue. Turquoise. It's not about matching. It's all about layering and, like, working it and looking.
Oh boy! Coming for you. Okay, so. Yeah, brother, you did. Take your feet off and play. Drop the body, slow by the body. That's it, man, that's it. Oh, it's a roller back to this one. She loved my hair. Let's play, baby, let's play. It's your show. No, relax. No, I want more attitude. You look cold. Take the shirt open.
It's August.
Hot.
It's Louisiana.
You know what I'm saying, Miss Louisiana? Hot sauce, baby. Bring it on. Where's that 600 SC? 600 SC. Tim. Yes, sir. Okay. Woo!